Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix this error. So as you can see, I'm not able to update my Google Chrome. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this error. It's quite easy, just needs few clicks. First, click on search bar, as you can see, click on it. And after that type here service. And then just click on open. From here you have to find out Google update. Scroll down until you see Google update. Here as you can see Google update service, right? Double click on it and after that you will get this interface. So now from here you have to select manual. If it's disabled, then just select manual and click on apply and click on start. It will take some times, as you can see, and you will get this something pop-up notification. Just click on OK and then click on OK again. And from here, as you can see, Google update service, double click on it and as you can see it's automatic delay start. Just I will select manual again and just click on apply and after that click on start and click on OK and again OK, and then from here you just close this and after that just restart your PC. Click on this Windows icon and from here you can restart that. After restart, just open up your Chrome browser, click on this three dot icon and then click on settings and click on about Chrome. So now as you can see my Google Chrome updating now. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then please consider subscribing my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.